with a very important discussion, a very important thing that many of us Indians are not yet aware of. It is this menstrual cup. So the most common feminine hygiene product that we use during menstruation is sanitary pads. Now what is the problem with sanitary pads? First, it leads to waste. Second, it may cause rashes or infections being in touch with the body for such a long time. Third, when you're using sanitary pads, your actions are limited, your activities are limited. You can't get involved in swimming or any water related activities. Now to overcome this problem, there's another feminine hygiene product, tampons. But there is a problem with that too. If you keep a tampon long enough in your body, it may result in toxic shock syndrome. So now we come to our third option, that is menstrual cup. So many of you might think that this is a foreign material. It's like a plastic. Is it even safe to insert this in my body? So let me tell you guys, don't buy very cheap menstrual cups. Ones that are of decent price will be made of medical grade silicone, which is not at all harmful for your body. So once you have overcome the idea that okay, this won't harm me if I insert it in my body, let's know how you should use this. So there are many type of folding techniques. You can search it on YouTube, you'll find it. What I did was I used this type of fold, which is a C fold, and then you need to insert it into your vagina. After that, it may be the case that your cup hasn't opened up properly. So what you need to do is, this part will be outside, so you need to hold that and rotate the menstrual cup inside your vagina. Slowly you can feel that the cup has opened up. Make sure that the cup is open, else it will result in leakage. So now once your cup is inside open, then all the menstrual fluid will get collected here, and then it will depend on your flow how frequently you need to empty it and then reinsert. If you're just starting out, I'll advise you to check once in every 4 hours. Now one menstrual cup will last you for around 5 years, so you can calculate how much you save on your menstrual hygiene products. Also, this will give you the freedom to do any activity you want once it's properly inside. I'll stress on the fact properly, because if it's not properly there, you won't feel comfortable and you can't then have that feeling that I am free. But if this goes in properly and it's fitted inside, then trust me, you'll forget you're on your periods. I'm using the menstrual cup from Wow. I bought it from Amazon. I'll link it in the description down below. So it comes in a pouch, so once you are done with your period, you can wash it off and store it in it, and also you'll get a intimate wash free along with it. I haven't used the wash, so I can't give my review on it. So before every cycle and after each cycle, make sure you're washing this in warm water. It is not a big deal, just boil some water, and when it is suitably hot, switch off the gas and dip this and keep it in like for 10 to 15 minutes. That's the only way you can sanitize this, and that should be enough for this. During the period when you're using it, washing it properly with water or with soap water is enough. You don't need to boil it every time you reinsert it. So now another thing that you have to note is the size that you need to buy. So you get a small size, this is a small size, and you get a larger size too. Now if you ask me how you should pick up your size accurately, for my own self I had ordered M. The size S came by mistake, but I didn't exchange because I myself wasn't sure, and when my period started, S was the perfect fit for me. So if you're someone below 25 and you haven't yet given birth, I think S should be fine for you. If you are between 25 to 30 and have given birth, M would be, I think, appropriate for you. Else I think S will also work for you. And if you're above 30 and have given birth, then I'll definitely recommend going for an L. Else you can go for an M. Now the size also varies according to the brand that you're selecting. So there is a reference guide with each of the brands, so definitely check it out before buying. Now let me tell you guys how you need to remove this. Don't pull it. Never ever ever pull it. The thing that you should do is pinch the bottom of the menstrual cup. When it is secure, you will feel like a seal or a lock is there. So when you pinch at the bottom, you will feel that that seal is broken. Some air is flowing through it. That time you will know that your menstrual cup can be removed. So pinch at the bottom. When the seal breaks, pull it out slowly. Now I want to tell you about the category of people who shouldn't be using menstrual cup. People who get nauseous or feel something uncomfortable on seeing blood. this is not for you guys, because this will involve seeing a lot of blood. When you're inserting, it won't be much, but when you're taking out a fully filled menstrual cup and you get nauseous seeing blood, that won't be a very good situation. Finally, coming to my own experience with my menstrual cup. Okay, so one thing that I did, and I think many of you might also do, try inserting it just as a trial when you're not having your periods. It didn't help me, and I don't think it will help you either, because at that time your vagina is dry, your vagina is not wet that you can put it inside. Only when your period starts, you start attempting. And during my period, it was an absolute bliss. There was no leakage and I didn't have to worry about stains, and I could do anything I want. So this was a perfect thing for me, and it will be for many of you guys out there. Even if you don't use it regularly in all of your periods, you can at least use this when you're traveling or you're doing any activities, something like that. And if you have any more queries regarding menstrual cup, please comment down below. I'll be happy to answer. So see you guys soon again in my next video. Till then, take care and bye.